How to delete Facebook page. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to delete your Facebook page but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch your Facebook application. For that, you can find your Facebook application and then tap on Facebook like this. After that, if you are just tapped on to your very Facebook account, you do switch it to the very Facebook page that you like to delete. So for that, you have to find the very Facebook page that you would like to delete. And after you just tap on the Facebook page that you would like to delete, now you can see an interface like this. Now, after you switch to the very Facebook page that you would like to delete, you can see an interface like this. Now, what you have to do is you have to go to the search icon on the top. After tapping on the search icon on the top, you have to go to the option of delete page. Now, if you go to the option of delete page, now you can see an interface like this, and it will take you to the home center or the help center as well. Now you can go to the help center in order to delete your Facebook page. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to the three lines on the top, and then after tapping on the three lines on the top, you can tap on the option of settings and privacy. Then tap on the option of settings. Now after tapping on the option of settings, you can see an interface like this. Now after seeing an interface like this, now what you can do is you can tap on the option of page setup, and after tapping on the option of page setup, now here what you can do is you can tap on the option of page status, and after tapping on the option of the page status, now what you can do is you can just delete your very page. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.